We need to be able to sustain our energy going into the future. And with the renewables, this is the only way we're going to be able to do that. It's always advancing, and there are lots of opportunities. Hi, my name is Trent Nylander. I'm the Wind Program Coordinator for Centura College in Norfolk, Virginia. I've been working in the wind industry for over a decade. So in that time, I've been able to do everything from an entry tech to a wind site supervisor to now teaching on a college level and just trying to relay all my field technology to the new class of technicians coming up. We do have a really unique program here. We're taking years of experience from the technician side and being able to put that in the course modules. If you want to be on the construction site, you can do everything from laying the foundations to the erection to what they call commissioning, which is actually doing all the integral wiring of the turbines. And then on the flip side of that, then you have the maintenance and reliability technicians. In addition to that, we're elaborating on special field trips, special types of labs and projects that we can get the students involved with to actually make them feel like they are making a difference here, being able to take them out to the site, giving the hands-on experience. Well, today was very interesting. They were looking at their future and I was seeing a lot of smiles, so there is a bright future ahead of them. Well, right now they've got the two prototypes that they're running, sitting roughly about 20 miles out to sea. They're going to be putting something close to 200 turbines out there, so it's going to demand a lot of manpower out there to keep those up and running. Well, we work directly with NCCER, so we get certifications in all the safety aspects of construction, as well as all the electrical aspects that they're going to need. And then we also have hybrid portions of that program where they'll actually get some GWO certification. So we're talking about Global World Organizational Training. So they're going to get what they call BTT, Basic Technical Training. They're going to get their BST, Basic Safety Training, as well as their TWIX card, which allows them to work on any sort of maritime platform. One of the aspects that I see is a lot of interested students, they don't want to sit behind a desk. They don't want to do the traditional 9 to 5, or they don't want to spend 4 years in college. So here they actually get to take the course, they get the certifications. There's work for every skill level. If you bring your skill level, we can center you on being a good technician. It's more of an adventure than it is a job.